Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video we are looking at the TonyBet app, a betting and gaming platform and where you can enjoy sport betting, live betting and online casino games. In this tutorial I'll explain what it is and show you how to use it step by step. Let's get started. The TonyBet app is an online sports betting and casino platform. It offers betting on football, basketball, tennis, sports and more. You can also play slot, table games and live dealer games. The app is available for both Android and iOS and it allows you to place bets anytime, anywhere. Now to use it, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app. Then open up the app and sign up by entering your details like email, password and country. Verify your account via email or SMS. Deposit money using one of the supported payment methods such as bank cards, e-wallets or crypto. Once you're in, you can see the home, sports, bet slip, casino and sign and the profile section right at the bottom of your page. Right here, you go to the sports or live betting tab right here besides the home. Then select a sport, choose a match and tap on the odds to add it to your bet slip. Enter your stake and confirm you place to bet. Confirm to place your bet. Switch to casino section to play slots, blackjack, relay or poker. Right here is the casino section. In live casino, you can join real dealers in live streamed games. Check the promotions tab for welcome bonuses, free spins or betting offers. Manage deposit withdrawals in the cashier section. Set up responsible gaming limits if needed. Adjust app settings like notifications and language. And that is how you can use the TonyBet app. It combines sports betting, casino app and live betting into one easy to use platform. I hope this video helped you out guys. Give it a like and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.